We do a lot of home reno projects, so we invested in a wet dry vacuum years ago. And today we're going to show you how to quickly change out the vacuum bag. We bought a pack of bags that are suitable for our rigid 6-gallon wet dry vac, and this pack includes 10 bags. As you can see, there are some instructions written on the outside of the package, and there are also some pictures below the instructions as well. But we'll go ahead and show you just how easy it is to insert one in. First, we'll start by opening up the lid of the rigid shop vac by lifting the two clasps on either side. Then we'll use the handle on top of the lid to lift the entire lid up and out of the canister. So inside the canister, you can see we already have a bag inside. It's not a very full bag right now, but it's pretty old, so we're going to replace it with a new one. There's a rubber sealing at the collar that locks the bag to the canister so the dust and debris stays contained in the bag. We'll gently pull to remove the collar of the bag from the inlet tube inside the canister. The old bag can go straight into a garbage bag for disposal. Now, let's go ahead and take a new bag from our pack. When you have a bag in hand, you'll see the installation options written on the bag. And here's the rubber sealing on the collar of the bag. We'll take the bag and insert the inlet tubing into the bag through the rubber collar. You'll want to make sure to get the collar as closely inserted to the canister as possible, leaving as little gap as possible. This will help ensure that the dust and debris don't spill out. After that, you can replace the lid back to the canister, making sure that the filter is centered inside so that the vacuum bag wraps around it. Then pull down the clasps on either end to lock and secure the lid into place. And just to show you that the vacuum is able to suck up the dust and debris, we'll just power the shop vac on and show you it can even pick up a roll of aluminum tape.